Looking so scary. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a severe drought in St.lucia. I'm not sure where this road is heading to, but hopefully it heads to somewhere nice. We just saw a car coming out from here, so I guess there's houses up that side.
Oh.
Yes, there is.
Unknown road.
Yeah. Don't see the houses up there. Oh, down there.
Oh, that's a nice house.
That's a nice one.
I don't know what parts of Kabwe State we in, but we're just driving around to see the road finishing. Tamarind.
There's an unfinished house over there.
Should we continue?
I guess we'll see. I don't know if it's there anymore, but there's a house all on top there.
So like somebody doing it.
That one here is closed up, so I know for sure nobody's not there. But that one over there is a nice house. That one here. Nice house.
Somebody living there.
Look at it?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that's true. So let's continue. Let's see how it goes. Nicole is going to check out the place. We need to scope out before we just enter. What's it like?
What?
What's it like?
It's a fee. It's a fee.
It's a fee. There's a house for sale there. There's always a house for sale around here. I'm trying to zoom right over. Oh. But there's a dip in the road, a little deep.
What we gonna do? We're gonna park on the side and walk over a little bit if you want to do that.
Okay, we'll have to park here. This one is a little hot. This is an unfinished house, by the way, but the roof is done. It's just the inside still missing a door window. They have all that open.
Okay. So back at it again, guys, with another exploration video, exploring St.lucia, just like the old days.
Yeah, we would go down, guys, but the water is too small.
You want to go? You should go. Let's go.
I don't know what it is.
I know, boys.
Which one is? I close.
We reach our. Let's not go.
I don't know.
Let's see nice ghost. How does it feel to be back doing what you love? Can I? How does it feel?
Feels good if I minus the sun.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, they get a little
A little scary, I should say.
sketchy.
Alright.
All the let's see where it's reaching and then we'll see. Because some vehicles pass there. So.
It look that way.
Huh?
I say it looks that way.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the sun is extremely hot. This is not a good time to be exploring. All the trees, all the grass everywhere around. It died out. That house, it's a house, nice big house.
That first story.
Alright, so we're going to head up and then we'll let you all know what's happening. Alright, now. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so here we are, stumbled upon this
Unfinished house.
yeah, that we showed you before.
This is like a car park or a gazebo.
That's what it look like, more like a car park. Yeah. Like I said, we in the area of Cap Estate. We don't know exactly where we are right now, but we're trying to find out what's inside there.
Hopefully nothing scary. I'm not about that life. So let's do this for us to get out.
Alright. That looks so scary.
Go to downstairs first.
Okay. Just to make sure it's safe. So this is the pool. Look, the pool looks steep.
Oh boy.
Three-story luxury house, abandoned. Of course, you already know we're doing downstairs first. Got a nice tile design on the wall here. There's nice fixtures and everything. Okay. Yeah, that's always the case. It's always the nice houses, the nice views that's left abandoned, you know.
Well, I'm not terribly abandoned, but
Well, it for sale.
yeah, it's
Yeah, I guess because
I don't think they stay for sale for so long because
yeah, it's so expensive. So that's why. And my voice is already echoing. Ooh, you ready to go inside now? You ready to go inside? It look like maybe bats that's come inside. Or like dogs was there before. Okay. Yeah, bad stairs coming at night. That look like a room, a bedroom. Another bedroom. Let's go upstairs. You know, a lot of wet noise inside anyways. Oh, a lot of bad shit and things inside there, boy. Like at night, bats just decimate there. There's another floor, there's one more floor. Let's be done point right there. Open big it out.
That's what usually do. That would be a nice living room.
Mm.
And the TV will probably should face there.
Mm-hmm.
Should face there. And that's not good.
And maybe that would be like there's like a railing there, up there.
Put that living there.
Mm-hmm.
So you can look over the bedroom should be upstairs.
Mm. Alright, let's go. Upstairs is our last floor. Well, the last first floor? Fourth floor? Yeah, fourth floor. Because from the ground up. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It look like a bathroom. Yeah, it was right, a bathroom. I got toilets. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to head upstairs now. Well, we'll have to try to see. But to me, bats doesn't fly around during the day. I don't see any bats there. So a bird I see there. A bird. There's a bird there. Let's see if I can visualize. I haven't seen one bat as yet. I say I haven't seen one bat as yet. Look, that one did one day. Oh, they did one day. See, it's a stench, boy. Another. You see, that was confusing, eh? Confusing.
That's so many.
Inside, so many little sides and thing. If you can feel how you saying it? Nervous. Alright. I think that's all everywhere. Alright guys, so if you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell that pops up right up after it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below on what you think about this video, because it's been a while since we've been out doing this type of videos, which we love, and we just happened to end up stumbling upon this house.
It's very hot.
Yes, it's extremely hot. 9 is sweaty, and you already know. Okay?
And if you think Deacon should buy this house,
comment down below.
below.
Yeah, and you already know. We'll see you guys
In our next video.
in the next one. Peace.